Nsonga zomwe zikundirikira ku Zimbabwe ndinakumana nawe, mtima wanga unasinta. Smile yako inawala ngati dua. From the first hello I knew you were the one. You came into my life unexpectedly. Now you're my sweetest melody. Sindikufuna so kuyenda ndeka, baby you're my destiny. Ndapeza Chikondi ku Zimbabwe, my heart will never be the same. Across the borders, across the miles, you fill my world with endless smiles. Ndapeza Chikondi ku Zimbabwe, you're the blessing that I prayed for. No matter where life takes us to, forever I'll be loving you. Tikama yenda limordi miso, ndimona chokolola tulowala. Your love is my favorite place. Every hug feels like amazing grace. Antu akunena chikondi chilibe malire. Now I finally understand. You took my hand and changed life. Together we'll forever stand, yeah. From Malawi to Zimbabwe, our love grows stronger every day. Different places, one heartbeat. Together our story is complete.